Fireworks at it again.
Yes.
What's going on, chat? Listen, I thought I'd try to give that milk crate rack a try. Not too fancy. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I don't know. But because I don't like the way the milk crate looks, I'm gonna take the board because I got time today. I have nothing to do, and I'm gonna put the milk crate in the box for no reason. I'll tune you guys in when it's done. We're back. I decided to change the setup a little bit because my situation is I got the 50 rack, and I'm in really need of a 24 kind of thing, where when I buy a box, I don't want to pull out 50, and I don't want to be screwing things down. And then I saw this look real convenient. So what I basically did was I filled in the bottom and the gap. There's the gap. I filled that up, right there. You guys can see that. So that is tight on the bottom, and it's also, I filled it up right here and pushed it in so it's tight on the top. So this is not going nowhere. This is just to do compression. You understand what I'm saying? So chat, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put screws here. Zip, 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 zip. Right there. And then I guess to hold these down on the sides. But because I had time, I think I'm gonna box this crate. I don't know. I'm feeling like I got time to do stuff today, bro. I don't know. And I like that I'm gonna shoot it off this way, like this, to give me that spacing. Doof, that, you know, whatever second is this is that looks like 3 inches though. I think that's too much. But, you know, depending on what type of fuse I use, go that way. Or I can go that way. Real quick. I don't know. Flux Fireworks.